Jharkhand, India's hidden gem. Nestled in the eastern part of India, Jharkhand is a state that often escapes the radar of many travelers. Yet, it holds within its borders a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness that is waiting to be discovered. India is a land of diverse landscapes. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas in the north to the sun-kissed beaches of the south, the country offers a myriad of natural wonders. Each region has its own unique charm and character, contributing to the rich tapestry that is India. It has bustling cities and quiet villages. The urban centers are alive with energy and activity, showcasing the modern face of India. In contrast, the rural areas offer a glimpse into the traditional way of life, where time seems to stand still and the pace is much slower. It has towering mountains and lush green forests. The majestic mountains provide a stunning backdrop to the landscape, while the dense forests are home to a rich variety of flora and fauna. These natural wonders are a testament to the incredible biodiversity of the country. Among these wonders lies Jharkhand, a state often overlooked by travelers. Despite its relatively low profile, Jharkhand boasts a wealth of natural beauty that rivals that of any other region in India. Its landscapes are a blend of rolling hills, verdant forests, and sparkling waterfalls. Jharkhand is a hidden gem. Its beauty is subtle yet profound, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The state's natural landscapes are complemented by its rich cultural heritage, making it a destination that is both visually and spiritually enriching. It has stunning scenery waiting to be discovered. From the tranquil lakes to the rugged hills, every corner of Jharkhand is a visual delight. The state's diverse topography ensures that there is something for everyone, whether you are an adventure enthusiast or a nature lover. Jharkhand is known for its tribal culture and rich history. The state is home to a number of indigenous tribes, each with its own unique traditions and customs. These communities have preserved their way of life for centuries, offering a fascinating glimpse into India's cultural diversity. It is a land of waterfalls, hills, and forests. The waterfalls of Jharkhand are particularly noteworthy, cascading down the hillsides in a spectacular display of nature's power. The forests are equally impressive, providing a lush green canopy that is teeming with wildlife. Each place has a story to tell. From ancient temples to colonial-era buildings, the historical sites of Jharkhand offer a window into the past. These landmarks are not just relics of history, but living monuments that continue to play a vital role in the cultural life of the state. Come, let us explore the scenic beauty of Jharkhand together. Whether you are trekking through the hills, boating on the lakes, or simply soaking in the views, Jharkhand offers a wealth of experiences that are sure to leave a lasting impression. This land promises an unforgettable journey. The sense of adventure is palpable, with opportunities for hiking, wildlife spotting, and exploring hidden trails. Every step you take in Jharkhand is a step into the unknown, filled with the promise of discovery and wonder. It will awaken your senses. The sights, sounds, and smells of Jharkhand's natural environment are a feast for the senses. The chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the fresh scent of the forest air combine to create an immersive experience that is both invigorating and calming. And it will leave you in awe of nature's artistry. The landscapes of Jharkhand are a testament to the beauty and power of nature. From the intricate patterns of the rock formations to the vibrant colors of the flora, every element of the landscape is a work of art that inspires awe and admiration. Our first stop is Hundru Falls, a natural wonder that captivates the heart and soul of every visitor. This is one of the highest waterfalls in Jharkhand, standing tall and proud amidst the dense forest. The sheer height and the powerful flow of water make it a breathtaking spectacle. It is a sight to behold, a masterpiece of nature that leaves you in awe. The water cascades down with such grace and force, creating a mesmerizing display. The water plunges from a height of 320 feet, making it one of the most impressive waterfalls in the region. The sheer drop is both thrilling and humbling. It creates a thunderous roar that echoes through the valley, a sound that resonates with the power and majesty of nature. The roar of the falls is a symphony of natural forces at play. The sight of the water crashing against the rocks is mesmerizing, a dynamic dance of water and stone. Each drop seems to tell a story of its journey from the heights above. The spray creates a cool mist in the air, a refreshing touch that invigorates the senses. The mist rises like a gentle veil, adding an ethereal quality to the scene. It is a welcome respite from the Indian sun, offering a cool and soothing environment. Visitors often find solace in the mist, enjoying the natural air conditioning provided by the falls. Legend says that the falls are named after a dog, a story that adds a touch of mystery and folklore to this natural wonder. The tale has been passed down through generations, adding to the cultural richness of the area. It jumped off the cliff and was never seen again, a poignant reminder of the bond between humans and animals. This legend adds a layer of depth to the experience of visiting Hundru Falls, making it not just a visual delight but also a place of historical and cultural significance. As the sun sets, the falls take on a golden hue, transforming the landscape into a magical realm. The play of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing effect, making it a perfect spot for photography and contemplation. At night, under the moonlight, Hundru Falls becomes a serene and mystical place. The sound of the water, the cool breeze, and the starry sky create an unforgettable experience, a moment of peace and tranquility in the lap of nature. The area around Hundru Falls is rich in biodiversity, home to various species of flora and fauna. Birds can be seen flying near the waterfall, adding to the vibrant ecosystem that thrives here. Visitors can hike through the lush forest to reach the falls, making it an adventure in itself. Families often come here for picnics, enjoying the natural beauty and the serene environment. Local vendors sell snacks and souvenirs, adding a touch of local flavor to the visit. Tourists often interact with the locals, learning about the culture and traditions of the region. Children play near the water, their laughter mingling with the sound of the falls. People take photographs, capturing memories of their visit to this enchanting place. As the day comes to an end, visitors gather to watch the sunset, a fitting end to a day spent in the embrace of nature. Hundru Falls, with its beauty and majesty, leaves an indelible mark on the hearts of all who visit. Next, we visit Tagore Hill. This hill is named after the famous Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. He found inspiration amidst its tranquil surroundings. The hill offers panoramic views of the city of Ranchi. You can climb to the top through winding paths. The air is fresh and cool. The hill is dotted with small temples and gardens. It is a perfect place for a peaceful walk or a picnic lunch. Our journey takes us to Rajrappa. This is a place of great religious significance. It is home to an ancient temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple is situated at the confluence of 3 rivers. They are the Damodar, the Bhairavi, and the Jonha. The sound of the rivers merging creates a soothing melody. Pilgrims from all over India visit Rajrappa. They come to seek the blessings of Lord Shiva. The temple's unique location and spiritual aura make it a must visit. Section 5. The dense Palamau Tiger Reserve. Nestled in the heart of Jharkhand, the Palamau Tiger Reserve is a sanctuary of unparalleled natural beauty and biodiversity. This reserve is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers alike, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of life that thrives in this region. Jharkhand is not just about waterfalls and temples. While the state is renowned for its stunning waterfalls cascading down rugged cliffs and its ancient temples that echo with history, there is so much more to discover. The lush green landscapes of Jharkhand are a testament to the state's natural wealth. It is also home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna. The forests here are teeming with life, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. The dense canopy provides shelter to countless species, creating a vibrant ecosystem that is both complex and fascinating. The Palamau Tiger Reserve is a testament to this. Established in 1974, this reserve spans over 1,026 square kilometers, making it one of the largest and most significant protected areas in India. Its vast expanse is a sanctuary for many endangered species, offering them a safe haven to thrive. This reserve is one of the oldest in India. Its history is rich and storied, with efforts to protect its unique biodiversity dating back several decades. The Palamau Tiger Reserve has played a crucial role in the conservation of India's wildlife, setting a precedent for other reserves across the country. It is home to a variety of animals. You can spot tigers, leopards, elephants, and deer. These majestic creatures roam freely in their natural habitat, offering visitors a rare opportunity to witness them up close. The reserve's diverse terrain, ranging from dense forests to open grasslands, provides the perfect environment for these animals to thrive. The reserve is also a birdwatcher's paradise. With its varied habitats, the Palamau Tiger Reserve attracts a wide array of bird species, making it a must-visit destination for ornithologists and bird enthusiasts. Over 170 species of birds can be found here. From the vibrant Indian pitter to the elusive crested serpent eagle, the reserve is a haven for birdlife. The melodic calls of these birds fill the air, creating a symphony of sounds that is both enchanting and soothing. A jeep safari through the reserve is an adventure in itself. As you traverse the rugged trails, you'll be immersed in the sights and sounds of the jungle. The thrill of spotting a tiger or a herd of elephants in the wild is an experience that will stay with you forever. The Palamau Tiger Reserve offers a unique blend of excitement and tranquility, making it a perfect destination for those seeking to connect with nature. Section 6. The mystical Netarhat Hills. Our next destination is Netarhat. It is often called the Queen of Chotanagpur. These hills offer breathtaking views of sunrise and sunset. The air is cool and refreshing. The hills are covered with pine, sal, and eucalyptus trees. Netarhat is also home to many waterfalls and scenic spots. You can visit the Upper Gagri Falls, the Lower Gagri Falls, and the Magnolia Point. Each place has its own unique charm. Section 7. The historical city of Ranchi. No trip to Jharkhand is complete without visiting Ranchi. It is the capital city of Jharkhand. Ranchi is a blend of the old and the new. It has bustling markets and serene lakes. You can visit the Ranchi Lake, the Rock Garden, and the Birsa Zoological Park. The city is also home to several historical monuments and temples. They tell the story of Jharkhand's rich past. Section 8. The vibrant culture of Jharkhand. Jharkhand is a land of diverse cultures and traditions. The tribal people of Jharkhand have preserved their heritage. You can experience their vibrant dances, music, and art forms. The local handicrafts are a must-buy. They reflect the intricate skills passed down through generations. From colorful saris to wooden toys, Jharkhand has something for everyone. Section 9. Discover your own Jharkhand adventure. Jharkhand is a land waiting to be explored. It has something to offer every traveler. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or cultural immersion, Jharkhand has it all. What other hidden gems do you think we might find in India? Share your thoughts, and let's uncover more of India's beauty together.